Musab bin Saad's father says that 4 verses have been revealed in connection with me. Once I found a sword and took it to the Prophet ﷺ and submitted. O Allah's Apostle ﷺ, grant me this sword. He ﷺ said, put it down. Then when I got up, he ﷺ said, place it where from you have picked it up. I then got up and submitted. O Allah's Apostle ﷺ, give me this sword. He ﷺ said, put it down. I again got up and submitted. O Allah's Apostle ﷺ, give it to me. Shall I be treated like those who have no share? The Prophet ﷺ whereupon said, place it where from you have picked it up. Then this verse was revealed. Translation: they ask you concerning the spoils. Say you, the spoils belong to Allah and the Apostle. Surah Anfal verse 1. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4532.